Honda Pilot 2026, new brutal dad. All-wheel drive technology and comfort for the whole family. If you thought you knew what a family SUV should be like, forget it. The new Honda Pilot 2026 blows up the templates. This is no longer just a big Honda. It is a brutal, technological, and versatile beast created for roads and adventures. Subscribe right now if you want to be aware of all the new SUVs. And if you like the combination of practicality and character, click like. In front, a powerful, expressive nose with a wide grille and an integrated Honda emblem. On the sides, aggressive matrix LED headlights, and under them, a brutal bumper with protective inserts. The hood with relief, as if from the world of pickups. It looks masculine and modern. At the back, there are vertical lights with LED signature, a neat spoiler, and a massive rear bumper with a protective pad. There is no extra gloss here. Everything is to the point. But it looks cool and technologically advanced. At the side, there is high ground clearance, clear body lines, black arches, and powerful 20-inch wheels. The roofline is slightly sloping so as not to lose style, even when you are carrying 3 children and a dog. This is an SUV that will not get lost in the city and will not give up in nature. Interior, inside, the Pilot 2026 surprises with its spaciousness and quality. The third row is not for show, but really for people. The second with captain's chairs and USB in each armrest. In front, a digital instrument panel, a huge multimedia screen, physical buttons, hooray, quality materials around the perimeter. There is even wireless charging and a refrigerator. Under the hood is a reliable V6 or a new hybrid, depending on the market. All-wheel drive with modes for mud, snow, and rocks. The car does not just carry, it adapts. And it also has a traction force. Honda Pilot 2026 is a new generation SUV. For those who want everything at once, comfort, power, capacity, and technology. Subscribe because there will be more. A comparison with the new Toyota Grand Highlander and Ford Explorer. Like if you like the new appearance, and write in the comments, would you buy one for your family?